Hello, this is Em, and today I'm going to talk about another episode of IELTS Writing Task 1. Step 5. Previously we've been through line graph and bar chart. We also discussed pie charts. Another diagram you may be asked to write about in Task 1 is tables. Tables? Is there anything to write about tables? Yes, tables contain rows and columns. Okay, but you tell me, you know what to do? Of course, the first part is planning. Yes, and what to plan? Well, first of all, understanding the title is necessary. What rows and columns show in general? Excellent. What next? Next is to write, let me say, is to write related words. Can be. What about paraphrasing the title? Yes. Always try to find words, adjectives, nouns or verbs that can be used to paraphrase the title and the information. Okay, then what? Then you notice the rows and columns. So what happens? Well, rows and columns can describe different things. Sometimes a table can be the same as a line graph, only describing numbers and their development through time. In this part, it's similar to line graphs. Just find the trend and describe it. How about the other cases? In other cases, rows can describe names of people, places, or other information, and columns can show you numbers regarding those people. For example, take a look at this table. It tells you the number of medals each athlete won in the Olympics. Okay, in this case, try to find a relationship between numbers. What do you mean, relationship between numbers? How can numbers be related to? Well, for numbers, it's always helpful to find a benchmark. What's benchmark? A benchmark or a baseline can be a number that other numbers are relatively close to. For example, suppose that the number of columns changing from 10 to 50. Your benchmark here is, I don't know, just simply add up the lowest and highest number. What's in between is the benchmark. 50 plus 10 equals 60. 30 is your benchmark. So you can start describing numbers below 30 in one paragraph and those ones above in another. And the overview? You tell me. How do you write an overview? Well, I take the general information and then write a sentence summarizing what the table means. Good job.